everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Today I just have a quick video to show you how to do the last row for this stitch here that I showed you. It's stitch number 89. And actually, when I looked closely just now, I realized that what I did on my last row was actually I did a single crochet on the 3 chains and then a single crochet into these 2 double crochets, and then again a single crochet into the chain 3 space. So I will show you how I actually did it. The instructions that I put in the description box are different. They both work the same way, so I'm going to show you both ways. So the first way that I will show you is the instructions in the description box. Okay, so the first thing would be, we finished here our last row. We have a single crochet here on the chain 3 space. By the way, this, I was just playing with this stitch, is the same one as this to see what it looked like with 2 colors, and this is what it looks like. The only problem is that you would have to cut your yarn, and I'm not sure if a lot of people like to do that, but this is what I did. If you want to see it, let me know and I'd be glad to show you. Okay, here we're going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first 3 double crochets are 1 double crochet, or counts as 1 double crochet. The other 4 are just space chains that are here. Okay, so what you would do is you would turn, and on top of the third 1, 2, 3 double crochet, you would just do a single crochet. Okay, and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and again on top of the third double crochet, just do 1 single crochet, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 single crochet on top of the next double crochet of this fan, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 single crochet. Okay, you can do 4 chains, or I'm going to do 3 chains on these last 2 that I have to see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, and then a single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, and then a single crochet. Okay, you can do either 3 chains or you can do 4 chains. The 4 chains are a little more loose, whereas the 3 chains, it's a little more stiff. Okay, but it would be up to you depending on the border that you're going to do. Okay, so now to finish here, I'm going to do 3 chains. To finish your last stitch here, you would just make a double crochet here inside these 3 chains, just like this. Okay, and that's what it looks like. If it were me, I would go with the 3 chains because I don't know, I think it looks better. It's not as loose and the gap here in between is not as big. But it's totally up to you depending on, like I said, the border that you're going to use. Okay, so this is one way to finish your last row. Okay, now the way that I did it on my baby blanket was, let me undo this. Okay, I chained 1, 2, 3. Probably did 3 or 4. Let's do 4. 4, turn. Okay, and then a single crochet on the second double crochet here, and a single crochet inside the chain 3 space. Okay, and then I did a single crochet on this one here, a single crochet here on the second, and it looks like I didn't do one here. I did it instead inside the chain 3 space. Okay, let's see how this looks after we do some more. So a single crochet into the first double crochet, a single crochet into the second double crochet, and a single crochet inside the 3 chains. Again, a single crochet into the first double crochet of this fan, into the second, a single crochet, and a single crochet inside the chain 3. Okay, let me work this a little bit faster, see what it looks like. Okay, and then here, probably I did the same thing, just like this. 3 single crochets. Okay, and it actually looks pretty good. It looks nice and straight. So that's your second option, to do it this way, just like I did. Okay, I hope this tutorial has been helpful for those of you who have asked. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.